I was broke, pocket full of lead, lime on the bricks, getting paid like no other dog. Now I'm stacking chips on the road like a trucker, man. Had to take some trips, doing shows for my brothers, but strapped with extra clips, just in case any sucker would wanna run his lips. A female, I don't trust her, cause women like the trips. I stay all by my get it green, hell with some time. Did some crimes that was petty, seems still getting mine. All this hate I'm hearing though, I ain't fearing. Better try to be going old, man, with your cheering. Escalate what a nigga steering, last days nearing. Trying to get it right with God, only one who I'm fearing. Hoping I'ma make it, keep it real, never do I fake it. Chances for a nigga to get paid, so I take it. Living like a player should, wishing that you could, knowing it's all to the good, still down with the hood.
This life we live, oh so beautiful, oh it's so beautiful, oh so beautiful, oh it's so beautiful. This life we live, oh so beautiful, oh it's so beautiful, oh so beautiful, oh it's so beautiful.
Last year my cousin took a fall, a sad song, seemed like we was just on the phone. Now he gone, people used to try to judge him, say he was wrong, but you can't try to judge a man. You do you wrong, smoking out on a daily basis. I'm in the clouds, drinking liquor, falling on my face, wondering how I survived all this foolishness. Off in the street, riding dirty, I ain't new to this. I'm packing heat, but the street